Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about how drone images become 3D maps. When a drone survey is completed, the drone may have captured hundreds or even thousands of aerial images. At first glance, these images may simply look like individual photographs of the landscape. However, when processed with specialized software, these images can be transferred into accurate 3D maps and terrain models. Let's walk through the step-by-step processes that turns drone images into 3D maps. Step 1. Image collection. The process begins during the drone flight. As the drone follows its programmed flight path, it captures high-resolution images with significant overlap. Each part of the survey area appears in multiple images taken from slightly different angles. This overlap is essential because photogrammetry software relies on shared features between images to reconstruct the terrain. Step 2. Image upload and organization. After the survey flight is complete, all the captured images are transferred to photogrammetry software. The software reads the metadata embedded in each image, including GPS coordinates, altitude, and camera settings. This information helps the software understand approximately where each image was captured. Step 3. Image alignment. The next step is image alignment, which is one of the most important stages in photogrammetry. During this stage, the software analyzes the images and searches for common visual features such as corners, textures, or patterns that appear in multiple photos. By identifying these shared points, the software can determine the relative position of each image in three-dimensional space. This process creates a sparse point cloud, which is an initial set of 3D points representing the structure of the surveyed area. Step 4. Dense point cloud generation. After the initial alignment, the software performs deeper analysis and generates a dense point cloud. A dense point cloud contains millions of 3D points, each representing a specific location on the terrain or object surface. These points collectively form a highly detailed representation of the landscape. Step 5. Creating the 3D surface model. Once the dense point cloud is created, the software converts the point cloud into a 3D mesh or surface model. This mesh connects the points together to form a continuous digital surface that represents the terrain, buildings, vegetation, and other objects. Step 6. Texture mapping. To make the model more realistic, the software applies the original aerial images as textures on the 3D surface. This step adds color and visual detail to the model, making it easier to interpret and analyze. Step 7. Generating mapping outputs. Finally, the software produces useful outputs such as orthomosaic maps, digital surface models, digital terrain models, 3D terrain models, measurement tools for distance, area, and volume. These outputs can then be exported and used in GIS, CAD, engineering, or planning applications. Through these processes, hundreds of simple drone photographs are transformed into highly detailed 3D representations of real world environments. Understanding this workflow helps drone surveyors appreciate how important image quality, overlap, and accurate flight planning are for producing reliable mapping results. In the next lecture, we will take a closer look at one of the most widely used outputs of drone photogrammetry, orthomosaic maps, and how they are created. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.